Hey everyone, just going to do a quick review of the Travax Renegade wallet, simply heirloom pouch. It was a Kickstarter project. You can also buy it on their website. Links to everything in the description below. Just to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. There's not much ugly about it. But this is one that's new out of the box. It's 3 ounces refinished skirted leather from Wicked and Craig, supposedly. That's kind of similar to the leather that they use for saddles and tooling. It actually came raw with no finish on it whatsoever, a much lighter color. I put a beeswax based leather cream on it, which darkened it up, made it feel a lot more supple, made it look a little nicer in my opinion. It's got a nice little zipper on it here. The zipper attaches to this, where you can put a carabiner through there. On the inside, separator in here to be able to divide things in there. Now on the website it says it measures 6 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 by 1/8 of an inch, but at least the ones I received from the Kickstarter project, they're actually 6 1/2 inches. And just barely over 3 inches, and it's probably about 1/8 of an inch wide at the top up here. I'd say at the widest part where the zipper comes across. Now I've actually bought 2 of them. This is one that's been unused. I bought for a gift for someone. You can see the stitching looks real nice. It's got a 65-year warranty, which seems a little dubious, but hardware is nice. This is the one I've actually been using. This will give you an idea how it weathers with time. I've been using it in my front pocket. Sometimes there's keys in there and other things in your front pocket, which tends to dent up the leather a little bit. And you can see it's getting a nice used look to it. So if you don't like that kind of look, I would not buy this because it is going to get a weathered look to it. Inside, I keep not too much. Basically some credit cards, IDs, and cash separated between the little center part. And I usually keep a couple coins in there as well. So like I said, the stitching seems decent, seems like it's going to hold up fairly well. The hardware here is really nice. The rivets seem decent quality. The paint is coming off of them though. Looks like maybe they're copper rivets, possibly. And of course this is set up so you can put a carabiner on it, which I did not buy their carabiner. I bought one off of Amazon that I've been using, but you can't fit too large of a carabiner in here. It just will not fit, so you're kind of limited with that. But the purpose is, of course, that when you close it, the zipper pouch, you can put this over that and then put a carabiner through it, and then it is secured so that it can't come out, nothing can slip out. So the carabiner that they offer is probably about this size, so that's about as large of a carabiner as you could go for. I prefer the smaller one personally since it's in my pocket. Personally, I've been using it as a front pocket wallet. So let me switch the camera around here. So basically for me personally, I like a slim wallet to be able to put in the front. I also wanted something secure, and when I take it out, things aren't going to fly around. So it fits nicely, front pocket. Slides down in nice, fits most pockets, not too bulgy. And then me personally, I've been attaching it to a belt loop or in other such ways so that it is nice and secure. So this is after approximately 4 months of use. It seems to be holding up really nice. The stitching looks all right on the inside. It's pretty basic leather work in here. Seems thick enough. I like it so far. The zipper is a YKK zipper. It's not their highest quality zipper. The tab is pretty cheap. There's definitely better YKK zippers out there. That kind of leads me to the only bad points about this is the zipper pull tab here. This is a paracord pull tab. Now in the Kickstarter campaign, the videos actually showed a leather locking tab that locked down over this part. Looked really nice. And they changed that. Travax support basically says that, hey, we changed our minds during the campaign, it wasn't durable enough, and so we went with the paracord. But they didn't really mention that until after it shipped out. And to me, it's already getting worn. It's not pretty. You can see it's already starting to fray there. The end is not great either. So that's my least favorite part about this. It does its function. It's easy to replace or repair. I just really wish that they would have handled the situation differently. Maybe even given some color options or other options before they just shipped them out. But otherwise, other than the zipper and the pull tab, I like it. It's a decent wallet for my use case. As far as the price, for the current price on the website, I don't know that it's worth that much, unless it just absolutely fits your use case situation perfectly maybe, but it seems a little expensive for what you get. Maybe if they had an upgraded zipper and pull tab, I could see that price, but the Kickstarter price was not too bad. So I like that all right. So in my humble opinion, what Trayvax did is with the actual Kickstarter campaign is a little shady in my opinion. So that brings me to the ugly part of it, of the review basically, is that I don't have a lot of confidence in them when they say there's a 65-year warranty, but yet they're willing to switch things out without much explanation or any other options. It's kind of a bait and switch to me. And I generally don't do further business with companies who make excuses. So I really think Travax could have handled the situation with a lot more class, but they didn't. All in all, I'm happy with it other than that. For what it's worth, I feel it's an excellent wallet for my current situation. It seems like it will hold up well, as long as you're aware of the actual size, the zipper situation, and how Travax handles support excuses. I think you'll be pleased with it otherwise. I like the slimness of it for the front pocket, ability to attach it to a belt loop or the inside of a backpack. And I really like that it's secure and that nothing will ever come out while it's attached inside. So that's my review.